Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard easy at home, full guide. Preheat a saucepan and gather eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla, then whisk until smooth. I will guide you through tempering eggs, cooking to a thickened coat, and straining for silky texture. You will learn stovetop and oven-baked methods, troubleshooting tips, and simple flavor variations using citrus or liqueur. Follow along and practice patience. Start by heating milk with vanilla until it steams but does not boil, then remove from heat. Whisk eggs and sugar, temper with a thin stream of hot milk, and return to low heat. Stir constantly until the mixture thickly coats a spoon at 170–175 degrees F, then strain through a fine sieve. Chill promptly for firm custard or bake in a water bath for a silky set. If your custard splits, whisk gently over low heat or strain and cool to rescue texture. Use a thermometer to avoid overcooking, and always strain into a clean bowl for silkiness. Try quick variations like adding citrus zest, coffee, or chocolate for new desserts. Practice makes consistent results, so note times and temps that work best with your stove and oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.